Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer BUSD from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance USD for better management or to explore other opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but with crypto, a little caution goes a long way. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both the Robinhood app and Coinbase Wallet app updated to their 2025 versions. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Start by opening your Robinhood app and logging into your account. Navigate to the Crypto section, where you'll see your holdings. Locate BUSD in your portfolio. It's that stablecoin you might have from trading or rewards. Next, select BUSD and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is usually found by tapping on the asset and choosing Send or Withdraw to external wallet. Now, here's a crucial step. You'll need your Coinbase Wallet address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the BUSD specific address. Remember, BUSD often uses the BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum network, so double-check which one your wallet is set to in 2025. It might have changed with updates. Back in Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but be mindful of any fees. Robinhood might charge a small network fee, and it varies by blockchain. Review everything carefully to avoid mistakes, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Coinbase wallet, depending on network congestion. Head over to Coinbase Wallet to check the status. Look for incoming transactions. And there you go, you've successfully transferred your BUSD. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses to prevent losses, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving regulations, make sure you're compliant with any KYC requirements on both platforms. If you run into issues, Robinhood and Coinbase have excellent support chatbots now. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Stay safe out there.